Aloe Vera problem. How I saved $50 using kitchen hack. Your aloe vera is dying money going waste. Stop and watch this kitchen hack. My aloe was also rotting leaves turning black. Spent money but nothing worked. Then I tried something from dustbin. You will not believe kitchen waste saved my aloe. Take banana peel and aloe leaf, cut into small pieces, mix in soil, add water, keep in shade. That is it. Look, new baby plants are growing completely free without spending any money. You also try this and tell me if it work or not. Comment free aloe trick below.